Good afternoon. You can see we had as much fun in the Dow as what we did the S&P and the FTSE last week. It seriously wasn't a week for the faint-hearted, I don't believe. But look at what we've done. Look at where we've stopped. We stopped at the 23.6 fib, which is 24226. Our low last week was 24242. So a nano bit off of where that Fibonacci level was. So, as I've said with the S&P, you can't judge last week's action just by this weekly chart. Now, pre-open, the market is trading at 24372. Okay, so we are below both the weekly and the daily pivot. I'll take you over to the daily in a minute. So we're trading around about here. 243. So we're up from Friday close that I have, but we're not, you know, well, we're basically at the close. The close was 243.88. So we're basically just a little bit lower. Now, where do we go from here? What are we going to do with this? Are we going to be in a situation where we do take out those yearly highs? Are we going to be in a position that we can go down and test the 38.2 of the bull move from 2016? You know, if you take a look at the monthly chart, it really is quite a scary chart. Now, I think, and I've always said that you can overextend in markets, especially on this time where you've got a lot of computer generated sell orders, buy orders, blah de blah. This on the monthly I see as a topping pattern. Okay, and I've seen this topping pattern unfold over the year. Now if you look at the indicators, the ROC, which is the rate of change, is on the zero line. Look at our RSI. It went up to the 80% level and failed. Look at the stochastics. We diverged badly on the monthly chart. You can see that bull move up. We were just trading up there at 98%. On the second leg up, where it made that top, this didn't do it. It diverged. You can see the divergence in this year. Now what this means to layman's terms is that market has topped and it's going to get a real mess on the downside. It really is, and it's scary because where can we come back to? We can come back to at least the 2017 lows. I think here is where the Dow's going to end up. And I don't think it's going to take too long to get there. I don't scaremonger. I'm telling you this because this is what I see. And this is what I've seen unfold on that last leg up. I look at these monthly charts. I look at the weekly charts. You can't get a picture of what the market is doing if you don't look at these longer term charts. So we've looked at the monthly. We've looked at the weekly. Now let's take a brief look at the daily. Right, now when you look at that, it looks obvious, doesn't it? What people don't get to understand, because perhaps they haven't seen it before, when you get towards the end of a trend, you've got the bulls versus the bears. There you have it. The bears, let's go back to the year. We can squidgle back. The bears got the move. The bulls brought it back. We didn't do a lot. We actually tried hard. I said then that we were going to go out and take out these highs. I did. We did, but we didn't maintain it. And look what's happened since. We've still got the bulls versus the bears. This is a typical end of trend formation. It is typical. Okay? You get these wild ranges within this market. And you know, when you look at the monthly chart, you have no option but to say sell strength. You really don't. You have to sell strength. Anyway, good luck. I'll be with you all afternoon, and any questions, just ask me on the desk.